Welcome to Upcoming Auto Reviews. Today, we bring you an exciting update on one of the most stylish entry-level neo-retro bikes in the market, the 2025 Yamaha XSR155. This machine combines modern performance with classic looks, and for 2025, it receives subtle yet impactful changes that make it even more appealing for enthusiasts and daily riders alike. Design and styling. The XSR155 retains its iconic vintage design language with a round LED headlamp, sculpted fuel tank, and a minimalistic tail section. For 2025, Yamaha introduces fresh color options and a new matte finish that enhances its retro charm. The attention to detail in the paintwork and badging reflects a premium feel in a budget-friendly package. Engine and performance. Under the classic bodywork lies a 155 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled, single-cylinder engine based on the R15's platform. It delivers around 19 horsepower, mated to a smooth 6-speed gearbox with a slipper clutch. The variable valve actuation, VVA. Tech ensures strong low-end torque and high-revving excitement, making it suitable for both city and highway rides. Chassis and ride quality. Built on the proven Delta box frame, the XSR155 offers a balanced and agile ride. The USD front forks and monoshock rear suspension provide stability, while the wide tires and disc brakes at both ends ensure confident handling. The upright seating position and low curb weight further enhance everyday comfort. Verdict: a stylish performer. The 2025 Yamaha XSR155 is not just a looker, it's a capable performer with modern tech in a retro shell. Ideal for beginners and style-conscious riders, it continues to be a top choice in the entry-level segment. Stay tuned to upcoming auto reviews for more auto updates and comparisons.